maximum power transfer theorem. This theorem is applied to transfer the maximum power from one circuit to another circuit, और वन लोड से किसी दूसरे लोड में पावर मैक्सिमम ट्रांसफर करना है, उसके लिए मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफर थ्योरम अप्लाई करते हैं। मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफर थ्योरम बताता है कि किसी एक सर्किट से दूसरे सर्किट को मैक्सिमम पावर कब ट्रांसफर होगा, जब फर्स्ट सर्किट का लोड रेजिस्टेंस सेकंड सर्किट के लोड रेजिस्टेंस के बराबर हो, या किसी सोर्स से किसी लोड में मैक्सिमम पावर कब ट्रांसफर होगा, जब लोड रेजिस्टेंस सोर्स रेजिस्टेंस के बराबर हो, या लोड को हम ऐसा डिजाइन करें कि उसका जो वैल्यू है सोर्स के बराबर आ जाए, या सोर्स रेजिस्टेंस इतना डिजाइन करें कि उसकी वैल्यू लोड के बराबर आ जाए, तो मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफर होगा। अदरवाइज ए पार्ट ऑफ पावर विल ट्रांसफर टू द लोड। नाउ प्रूफ ऑफ दिस थ्योरम, the value of current in this circuit, simple circuit, this is the voltage source VG value and the internal resistance RG connected across the load resistance RL. Current flowing in the circuit is I is equal to VG generator voltage upon generator resistance plus load resistance, and formula of power is equal to I square into RL, रेजिस्टेंस RL में पावर कितना होगा, I स्क्वायर इंटू RL। सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट VG अपॉन RG प्लस RL होल स्क्वायर इंटू RL। सो पावर इज इक्वल टू VG स्क्वायर अपॉन RG प्लस RL होल स्क्वायर इंटू RL। नाउ द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल, if you get 0 will give the maximum or minimum value. So यदि हम इसको पावर को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं with respect to RL and substituting to 0 will give the condition of maximum power. तो डिफरेंशिएट पावर with respect to load resistance RL, VG is constant, this is U and this is V. V as it is, RG plus RL as square. Differentiation of RL with respect to RL is 1 minus RL as it is. Differentiation of this is 2 into RG plus RL, and bracket का differentiation RG का 0, RL 1. So this upon RG V square, RG plus RL का power 4, and this first derivative should be 0 for the maximum power. Now RG plus RL whole square minus 2RL into RG plus RL is equal to 0. Take RG plus RL common, this is equal to RG plus RL minus 2RL is equal to 0. RG plus RL into RG minus RL, और RG स्क्वायर माइनस RL स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0, और RL इज इक्वल टू RL इज इक्वल टू, और सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दिस फैक्टर 0 यू कैन से substitute RG plus RL is equal to 0, then RL is equal to RG. This is the condition of maximum power. Now substituting the value of RG is equal to RL in the power, so the maximum value of the power is equal to VG square into RL upon RL plus RL whole square is equal to VG square into RL upon 4RL square, RL cancel, is equal to VG square upon 4RL. This is the value of maximum power drawn from the source, Vg square upon 4RL, and this is the condition of maximum power absorbed by the load resistance RL. So this is the statement and proof of the maximum power transfer theorem. Now take the numericals in which we apply the maximum power transfer theorem. Now the first question is find the value of load resistance RL so that it will consume maximum power. Find the value of load resistance RL. So determine the maximum power transfer या delivered to the load in the following diagram, in the following circuit, following network. This is given network. You have to find the value of RL, which will give the maximum power in the circuit. This is simple circuit. This is load resistance RL. RL में मैक्सिमम पावर देखना है हमें. To find the value of maximum power in this RL resistance. This is 10 ohm. This one is 5 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 3 ohm. तो इसका मेथड क्या है? RL के अक्रॉस पूरे सर्किट को एक सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स और सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. और सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स और रेजिस्टेंस में कन्वर्ट करने का थ्योरम है थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम. तो ए बी पॉइंट के अक्रॉस, these टू टर्मिनल के अक्रॉस हम पूरे नेटवर्क को कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट में. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे, जो आरएल है उसको ओपन सर्किट कर देंगे, ओपन सर्किट आरएल. और सेकंड स्टेप क्या निकालेंगे, टू फाइंड वीटीएच, थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट बना लेंगे अक्रॉस द लोड. तो वीटीएच निकालने के लिए, टू फाइंड द वीटीएच, ट्रेस द पैरेलल पाथ बिटवीन ए एंड बी. टू फाइंड द ड्रॉप इन 3 ohm branch. This is total current. This 3 and 2 is the 5 ohm parallel with this 5 ohm. So if you want to find the current in 3 ohm branch, this I will flow in this 2 and 3 ohm branch. Apply the current division rule here. 50 is the total current. Multiply by the parallel branch to 2 plus 3 is 5. Divided by 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 50 upon 5 by 10. 2 is equal to 25. Value of the current in 3 ohm is 25. And value of the voltage VTH is equal to voltage drop across 3 ohm is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 75 volt. A is positive. A का polarity positive and polarity of B negative. This is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Now, third step is to find RTH. To find RTH. RTH find out करने के लिए एनर्जी सोर्सेस को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं उनके इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस से. तो ओपन सर्किट करंट सोर्स आइडियल केस, एंड दिस इज रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस द AB point. This 10 ohm is the open circuit branch. No effect of this resistance in the circuit. Now 3 and 2 in series, then parallel with 3. 2 and 5 in series, and then parallel with 3. Is the RTH. 5 plus 2 parallel with 3 is equal to 7 into 3. 7 plus 3, 21 by 10 is equal to 2.1. And condition for maximum power transfer theorem is VTH in series with RTH, and this is load resistance RL, and the value of RL should be equal to RTH. So RTH is, RL is 1.2, this is 2.1 ohm, VTH is 75 volt. Now P max, value of maximum power, is equal to VTH FBC square upon 4R. VTH is 75 square upon 4 into 2.1. So 75 into 75 by 8.4. Divided by 3. So the value of this power is, after solving, by 2.8 watts. This is the value of power consumed by the circuit. Now, next problem. Same statement. Determine the maximum power delivered to the load in the following network. You have to find the maximum power drawn from the load from the source. The circuit is this is current source. This is 4 ampere source. This is 2 ohm resistance. This is 4 ohm resistance. This battery is 6 volt. And this is the load resistance RL. RL is the value of the load resistance. This is 6 volt battery. You have to find the current maximum power drawn in this RL. So convert the total network across the two terminal AB into a single voltage source VTH in series with RTH. So first step is open circuit RL. Second step is to find VTH. Find out the open circuit voltage across this branch and open circuit this resistance. Trace the parallel path between A and B. This is the parallel path between A and B. This is the already battery 6 volt. This is the open circuit branch. So this is 0 volt battery. In this battery current is flowing 4 ampere and the current with this 2 ohm branch is also 4 ampere. So I is equal to 4 ampere. Voltage drop across, voltage drop across 2 ohm is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8 volt. Is the 8 volts. ये 8 volt बैटरी बन गया. Now trace the path negative terminal of this battery towards a positive, negative, positive 6 volt, and this is 0 volt battery open circuit branch, and this source is 8 volt source, and positive terminal towards the A side and negative to B. These two terminals are connected in two batteries are connected in opposition. Their currents are in opposite direction. So total voltage is the difference of voltage. Greater one is 8 volt and polarity of 8 is positive towards A, negative towards B, and difference of voltage is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 volts, and polarity of A is equal to positive, B is equal to negative. So you find the value of Thevenin voltage across the terminal AB. Now third step is to find RTH. थर्ड स्टेप में हम क्या निकालेंगे? RTH. Replace the energy sources to their internal resistances. So open circuit the current source and short circuit the voltage source. The circuit will be of this type. Now the nature of the circuit is this. This is the open branch. 4 and 2 ohm are in series. So RTH is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 ohm. According to the condition of maximum power transfer theorem, load resistance should be equal to source resistance. Load resistance is equal to RTH. This is the condition of is equal to 6 ohm. Condition of maximum power transfer. This is the condition for maximum power transfer. Now Pmax formula is VTH या Vg square upon 4RL. VTH is 2 ohm. 2 square upon 4 into 6 is equal to 4 upon 4 into 6. 4 cancel out. So 1 upon 6 watts is the power consumed by this. One more numerical. One more numerical. Same statement. Find the maximum power drawn to the load in the following network. RL resistance. You have to find the value of maximum power. This is the another problem. Here, this circuit. This is the load resistance RL. And this is 3 ohm resistance. This is the battery of 4 volt. This is 4 volt battery. This is 2 ohm resistance. This is load resistance. And this one is the 3 ohm resistance. This also 3 ohm. This is 4 ohm resistance. And this battery is 3 volt source. 3 volt source. So first step is same method, open circuit RL. First step फिर वही रहेगा, open circuit कर देंगे, open circuit RL. Second step to find VTH. Trace the path between A and B. 2 points are AB. Path drop in these 3 ohm branches. So find the KVL, the current in the first loop and current in the second loop. So I1 is equal to 4 upon 5 ampere. Voltage by total resistance 4 upon 2 plus 3, 4 by 5 ampere. So voltage drop across 3 ohm. Voltage drop across 3 ohm. 0.2 ampere is equal to 3 into 0.2 is equal to 0.6 volt. Now the value of the voltage drop is this. And I2 is equal to 3 upon 4 plus 3, 3 upon 7 ampere. So voltage drop, polarity now becomes plus minus. This is plus minus. Voltage drop across second 3 ohm, 3 into 3 by 7, 9 by 7, 1.2 volts approximately. Trace the path between A and B. This is A, this is B, polarity is positive negative, and this voltage is 0.6 volt. This is towards B positive negative, and this is 1.2 volt. So divided by 7 to 1.28 volts. 1.28 volt. So this is equal to, two batteries are connected in a position. So difference of voltage 2.8 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.68 volts. A negative, B positive. So third step is to find RTH. To find RTH. RTH find out करना है. Short circuit this voltage source, and also short circuit this voltage source. Short circuit. So RTH is equal to these two parallel, these two also parallel, then in series. 2 plus 3, 2 parallel with 3, in series with 3 parallel with 4. So 2 into 3, 2 plus 3, 3 into 4, 3 plus 4, 6 by 5, 12 by 7 is equal to 1.2 plus 12 divided by 7, 1.7 ohm. 1.7 ohm is equal to 2.9 ohm. For maximum power, RL is equal to RTH is equal to 2.9 ohm. And the value of the maximum power is equal to, by the formula, substituting the value of VTH and RL, VTH square upon 4RL, VTH was 0.68 square upon 4 into 2.9 is equal to 0.68 into 0.68 by 4 into 2.9, 0.17 into 0.68 by